What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another hair product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new shampoo and conditioner duo from TheSalonGuy called Pure. So shampoos and conditioners aren't a genre of hair product that I tend to review very often, but I would like to start covering those more because there are so many shit ones out there on the market that are just no good for your hair or your scalp, and so it's important to know about the good ones and what they can really do for the health of your hair. So the new Pure shampoo and conditioner from TheSalonGuy are designed to soothe your hair and scalp, to fight DHT and prevent hair loss, and to promote thicker hair growth. So let's get right into the review and see how they measure up. Taking a look at the packaging first, we can see that they both come in these 8.45 fluid ounce brown plastic bottles with a black pump top. And as far as the labeling, we have the name of the product, which is Pure, and then for the shampoo, we have Quinoa protein shampoo with peppermint and menthol, and for the conditioner, we have Brazil nut protein conditioner with peppermint and menthol as well. And down the bottom of the labels, we see a few symbols, so those are 100% vegan formula, cruelty-free, organic ingredients, and sulfate and paraben-free. All right, getting next into the scent, and they both do smell the same as one another. And it just smells great, man. It naturally, as you can see from the label, it does have peppermint and menthol, so you are getting a little bit of mint in there, but it's not overpowering, which is nice, so it doesn't smell like toothpaste like some other minty products do. So you get a little bit of that mint, you get a little bit of to me it smells a little bit like a light fruitiness, like cantaloupe maybe, and a little bit of sandalwood, so it's just really nice. It's light, it's fresh, it's clean, it's unisex, so it just smells really good. Now let's take a look at the ingredients briefly. So I will have the full ingredients list for each in the description box below if you'd like to read them, but I just wanted to point out a few of the kind of key factor ones. So as you would expect from what's said on the front of the labels, you will see the quinoa protein in the shampoo and the Brazil nut protein in the conditioner. And aside from those, you will just find that these are both packed full of a ton of certified organic oils. So we've got things like olive oil, flaxseed oil, sunflower seed oil, sandalwood oil, rosemary oil, of course the menthol and peppermint oil. So lots and lots of goodies. The sunflower seed oil is really good for the color safety factor of it because sunflower oil just has a very good natural way of fighting off fading, which is why sunflowers stay super bright all year round even though they're in the sun all day. And again, as the front of the label mentions, these are both paraben and sulfate free, so those are things that I always do like to see. Especially I like sulfate free shampoos because that just means that it's going to be a lot more gentle on your hair and it doesn't have those harsh cleansing chemicals in there. Now as far as price goes, these come in at $19.99 US for each bottle, or you can also get the set together for $39.99, which is the same price, but the set is on sale right now for $34.99, so you can save a few bucks there, and Stephen is offering free shipping for the rest of the month of June, so if you're looking to try these, now is a great time so you can save yourself a few bucks. So I think without further ado, at this point we can jump over to the demo footage so we can see exactly how these go in and wash out of my hair, and we'll see the results afterwards. I'm going to basically wash it, condition it, and then I'll blow dry it with no pre-stylers or anything in there so you can see exactly what my hair looks like using these just on their own. Alright, so here we are with wet hair, so we're going to go in first with the Pure shampoo, and I only need to use really about a pump, maybe a pump and a half at most. Now, for those of you who have never done like a fashion color in your hair, they do bleed every time you wash your hair. I mean, it's just, they're not totally permanent. They're like demi-permanent or semi, so they will bleed a little bit with each wash. Now, what I like about the Pure shampoo is that it keeps that color bleed really to a minimum, which is super important to me because obviously I want the color in my hair to stay super bright for as long as possible. And what I can tell you at this point, even after just using the shampoo, is that my hair feels totally clean, but it doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel like all the oils are stripped out of it. It actually, the best way that I can describe it is that it feels like I've used an oil cleanser. However, it's also removed all of the product buildup, which personally I find oil cleansers to have a tough time doing. Next, we're going in with the conditioner. So once again, just about a pump and a half maximum that I need. And this is where these products really shine for me, because literally as soon as this touches my hair, it instantly feels so good. It feels completely silky smooth and soft and hydrated, and it really does, like, that mint and that menthol in there is just enough to really soothe your scalp, and it just feels great. Now, I could actually rinse this out immediately and my hair would still feel amazing, but the longer you leave it in, the more of a deep conditioning effect it has. So I like to leave it in for generally about a minute or so, and it honestly, once I rinse it out after that, it really feels like I've done a hair mask. So now we're just going to go ahead and blow dry. So I'm putting no pre-stylers, no products at all into my hair. I'm just going to blow dry it and do a little bit of round brushing to control the curliness a bit, and then we'll take a look at how my hair looks after that. So as you can see, it just has a really nice healthy shine to it. It is unbelievably soft. It feels lightweight. It's bouncy. I mean, look at all the volume that's in my hair, and that's with no product. That's just from blow drying. I mean, really, overall, my hair just looks and feels so healthy. All right, so overall thoughts on Pure shampoo and conditioner. Just fucking killer, man. I mean, honestly, I've used a lot of shampoos and a lot of conditioners, and most of them were bad. Truth be told, most of them were just garbage, like buy them at Target or whatever. You know, I only really started getting to be aware of good quality shampoos a few years ago when I started going to a proper hairstylist and started this channel and all that. So since then, I've been using only good stuff. And I mean, you guys know how much I love my Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner and the clean and condition set from the TheSalonGuy's line. And honestly, these just knock all of those out of the park. So truth be told, these may very well be like my very favorite shampoo and conditioner that I've used, hands down. I mean, and aesthetic stuff, I really like the packaging. I love the smell. I think the price is right for this high quality stuff, especially since you get away with using so little that even this 8.5 ounce bottle is gonna last me several months. Now, as far as the hair loss fighting element, that's not a concern of mine at the moment, because knock on something, I have very thick hair, and so that's just not something that I worry about at this point in my life. But for those of you with thinner or finer hair, if you're looking for something to give you a volume boost or to possibly actually combat hair loss, I think that these are a great option for you. And if you've got thick hair already like me, it's a great option for you as well. Anybody should definitely try these because they're just simply amazing. And before anybody tries to get at me, no, this is not a sponsored video. No, I am not affiliated with Stephen or the TheSalonGuy brand or any of that. Stephen is a very nice guy though, and he and I do talk, and he did send these to me to try out when they came out for release. So Stephen, thank you so much for sending these over. You did an absolutely incredible job, man, and I think you really need to be proud of yourself because these things are just fucking killer. So that does it for today's review of the Pure shampoo and conditioner from the TheSalonGuy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found it useful. Let me know if you'd like to see some more shampoos and conditioners in the kind of review lineup that I have going on. I do already have a couple of others lined up that I would like to do anyway, but if there are any that you guys would like to request, definitely leave me a comment down below. And as usual, I do have a ton more stuff coming up soon, lots of different styling products and things that I'm really excited to review and share with you guys. So if you haven't already clicked that button down there to subscribe, please do so that you make sure to keep up to date with all that upcoming content. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.